Good evening, Purushottam ji. And again, I think there is a problem with your audio. So please. No, sir, your voice is not getting. Good evening, Satish sir. Satish Rajan sir. Sir, good evening. Who is the SC? Sir, तुमचं नाव SC?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Just one second.
Just
Let's
unmute
go.
maybe your one system, maybe laptop or mobile.
Yes, I'll close this. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, fantastic.
Great. And there's something bloody wrong with my comp here. Every time it's the same story. मेरे पास अभी वो भी नहीं है, क्या कहते हैं वो, I mean the last time the problem was with the due to the VPN. अभी तो VPN भी नहीं, फिर भी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, God knows. Anyway, I'm doing this from my mobile, and because of the problem with the screen size and all that, it is really pathetic. So, I told you. Who else is joining?
Abhijit Khatke.
Arey wow, he's joining.
Wow.
Very nice.
Baramati and very young and dynamic person. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Arpan sir, good evening.
Good evening, Sergi. How are you?
Yes, fine, sir. How was your Bangalore trip?
Oh, it was nice.
Great, great. पाऊस बीस व्यवस्थित सर तिकडे?
हो, पाऊस होता थोडाफार. आय मीन लोक म्हणत होते की मी आलो आणि पाऊस काही आला. पण ठीक आहे, थोडंफार काय पाहिजे होतं. म्हणजे 1 वीकचा ऑलमोस्ट गॅप होता पाऊसला. इट्स फाईन.
Yes, Amit sir, Amit Asnikar. Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening, Sagar. Good evening,
Yes.
Purushottam.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Everybody.
Sarvesh is waiting. उसको भी join करना है. So we will start within 1 minute, right?
Yes.
Krishna Tikre. Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Krishna Tikare, and I got the invitation from Vinay Chaudhary.
Oh, great, sir.
Yeah.
And where is Vinay? We are waiting for Vinay.
I was supposed to join actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Very welcome, sir, to our community.
A warm welcome to all of you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And our legend, sir, Purushottam ji, our legend from Pune First Club, Satish Rajan, sir, is also there.
Yes, of course. I keep bumping into him from another group, and it's always a pleasure meeting.
And sir, don't forget about past president, Mr. Anand Bedasgaonkar, sir.
Okay, God. Okay.
Hello, Sagar.
Yes, namaskar, sir.
नमस्कार आनंद सर. नमस्कार. काय सगळे कसे आहेत? छान ठीक चाललंय.
छान. तुम्ही कसे आहात?
एकदम मजेत. काय आता नवीन काय सागर आपल्याला पुढे कसं जायचंय?
येस सर, पुरुषोत्तम आज आपल्याला गाईड करणार आहेत. आपण एकच मिनिटात चालू करूया, जस्ट सगळ्यांचं वेलकमिंग करू.
सावकाश सावकाश.
सगळ्यात आधी मी बोलू इच्छितो की दिस इज बेस्ट. आय हॅव बीन वेटिंग फॉर ऑनलाईन मीटिंग सिन्स लॉंग. काय की फिजिकली मी थोडं ट्रॅव्हलच्या रिलेटेड चॅलेंजेस येतात, पण ऑनलाईन राहिलं की थोडं सोपं होतं. ऍटलीस्ट फ्रिक्वेन्सी तरी वाढली पाहिजे, त्या अँगलने इट्स गुड.
Actually, yes, what you're saying is true. The hassle is much lesser. In 1.5 hours, you get to accomplish a lot of things.
राईट. अँड आता कसं आहे काय होतं की आम्ही म्हणजे स्टार्टिंग फेज मध्ये आहे किंवा स्टार्टअप काइंड ऑफ आहे मी अजून, तर थोडं टीमची ट्रेनिंग हे ते त्या अँगलने वेळ स्पेंड करणं जरा अवघडच होतं. त्या अँगलने इज व्हेरी कन्व्हिनियंट.
Very true. I mean, the fact is, you don't have to do anything. You just switch it on, and you are there, and you're doing meeting people. That is truly amazing.
मी हे आधी खूप वेळा डिस्कशन झालं होतं सागर सरांबरोबर, होत असतो रेग्युलरली की ऑनलाईन करूया, पण यावेळेस झालं ते इट्स गुड.
Exactly.
आय थिंक दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर मीटिंग ऑनलाईन, राईट? म्हणजे असं आपलं मीटिंग आपण भेटलेलो आहे आधी पुरुषोत्तम सर.
Second meeting, sir. This is the second meeting.
सेकंड मीटिंग आहे का?
This is the second meeting, and in the last one also, I think you had given a presentation about the website.
That
and all
was kind of meeting just for our presentation.
Yes. And that was a core team meeting. This is the entire.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was,
I'm sorry, I actually missed it and had to step out immediately, right? मी एंड पर्यंत नव्हतो लास्ट मीटिंग मध्ये.
doesn't matter. You are here for this time around. I mean, you can cover up for the last time.
Sure.
So, do we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, we start with the pledge. I'm starting with the pledge. I'm an entrepreneur, and all entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters. I love my profession, and I'm proud of its social service. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters respect and treat them with courtesy. To my profession, organization, and my customers, I pledge my wholehearted devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. This is our pledge, to ourselves and to our club. Sagar, now what exactly? How do we take this further?
अरे नाही, ते अजून नाही झालेलं, अर्धवट आहे काहीतरी.
I was given this much only. Or
Sagar, you're on mute.
Sagar, please unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry. So we go for one by one. Mr. Arpan Gadia, please introduce yourself and your organization in a very short time, so other people are well known about your organization.
Sure. Hello, everyone. I have been working in CAD/CAM, CAE domain, and developing applications, solving engineering problems since like 15 years. Since last 5 to 7 years, I have been an entrepreneur, quit my job and started building business. And I have been doing consultancy so far. I have worked on industrial automations, augmented reality, virtual reality, web application development, and solving business problems, even engineering problems and software development technical problems also. So currently we are working on building mobile apps, web apps, business solutions, and marketing apps for manufacturers. So that's where we are currently. We have a team of 6 engineers here, apart from me. And so far we are at Wakad near Hinjawadi. So please feel free to drop out whenever you are available. Just come in our office and let's meet. We can take things ahead, and will be pleasure to see you here.
Yes, thank you, Arpanji. Next
Sure.
one is Abhijit Khatke. Abhijit. Okay, Abhijit is, I think, texting. Okay, next one is Anant. Anant, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Anand Bedeswalker. My company name is Nana Industry, and we are manufacturer of all kind of battery chargers, right from domestic to industrial grade, and a lot of electrical allied product also we manufacture, like engine cranker, solenoid, rectifiers, and we are situated in Shivaji Nagar. Thank you.
Thank you,
Great.
sir. Yes, next one is Atul, sir. Your name is there. Atul, sir. Okay. Next one is Amit, sir. Amit Asnikar. Amit, sir, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
I'll do it later on, Sagar. There's somebody I have to attend.
Okay, okay. So,
I am Amit Asnikar from Pune Club, a member of Pune Club. For last 20 years, I'm in the field of rural development, and now I am here as a social entrepreneur. My proprietorship is gramunnati.net, and we work across India in rural areas to promote small micro businesses, entrepreneurship, and the related services. I have channel partners from rural Maharashtra, around 10 to 15 men and women who are themselves entrepreneurs. Yeah, thank you.
yes, thank you. And one request to all, जेव्हा इंट्रोडक्शन देताय जस्ट जर कॅमेरा ऑन ठेवला तर सगळ्यांना समजेल पण. नेक्स्ट वन इज कृष्णा ठिकरे इज अवर गेस्ट टुडे फॉर ऑनलाइन मीटिंग. मिस्टर विनय चौधरी जो निगडी क्लब मेंबर है, he will call you. So please, Krishna sir.
Yeah, good evening everyone. My name is Krishna Tikare, and I'm into multiple businesses. So we are having actually a manufacturing unit where we are involved in CNC and VLC machining assemblies and other things. Other than that, I'm into business coach. So we do train entrepreneurs for growing their businesses to the next level. And also, since last 15 years, I'm involved in acquisitions and mergers, where we work with entrepreneurs and investors for doing the acquisitions and mergers. I'm located in Bhosri. So for anything we can get in touch with. So this is a big opportunity for me. I really want to thank Vinay Chaudhary for allowing me to be here. I'm looking forward to join the group and then take it ahead from there. Thank you.
Great, sir. Great. Thank you. Abhijit Khatke is already introduced himself by text. Abhijit, mic unmute करता येईल का? If suppose.
Actually travel करतोय, so there might be a lot of disturbance.
No, that's okay. Go ahead.
Go ahead, Abhijit. With disturbance, we can handle it.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, as you mentioned, my name is Abhijit Khatke. I'm from Baramati. So basically, I've been in Pune from 2012, and I started my entrepreneur journey from providing services into graphics designing and a bit of marketing and printing services. So my dad is a proud member of Entrepreneurs Club of Baramati, and here in Pune I've also started providing services for digital marketing, printing, as well as graphics designing. So yes, here I am with help of Sagar and with all of you. I'm here to explore and learn a lot about my future. Thank you.
Great.
Great, Abhijit.
So next one is Kumar. Mr. Kumar sir, please.
Good evening. This is Kumaran Nadar. I am into website designing and digital marketing. Recently, I did a course on digital marketing using AI tools. So, increasing my knowledge. I believe that learning is a continuous process.
Sir, your video is not at all visible. It's very dark, it seems.
There's no light here. I'm on a window.
Okay.
MSABचा सपोर्ट नाहीये तिकडे. Okay, great. Welcome, sir, Kumarji.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, next one is SC. Who is SC? SC plus unmute yourself, please, sir. I don't know. SC. Okay, next one is Gokhale, sir. Gokhale, sir.
Good evening, everybody. This
Good
is
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sriram Gokhale.
Good evening.
I'm
Good evening,
with
sir.
Entrepreneur Club for almost 14 years now. I'm basically a technocrat, ex-Philips, a product designer, and working as mentor with a few institutions for entrepreneurship. And I have a lot of interest in topics like design thinking, balance scorecard, target setting, costing, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next one is our new club member, that is Umesh Ghadge. Sir. Umesh, sir.
Yeah, good evening, gentlemen. My name is Umesh Ghadge, and I have been in the field of IT for more than 22 years now. I have worked in different domains, ranging from banking, e-governance. My last stint was with L'Oreal. I was IT operations head for almost 15 years. And I have worked in the span of implementing digitalization of manufacturing industries. I have been in domains of supply chain, manufacturing. I worked in intelligence analytics. Recently, just 2 years back, I started with my own venture called Data Vertex Technologies, and we are developing smart solutions for small scale manufacturing units and also turnkey projects. So I am happy to be part of Entrepreneurs Club. It's been just a week and I see a lot of energy. I thank all members for this opportunity, and looking forward to learn lot of things. I see entrepreneurs from different fields, and yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah, next one is Milind Joshi, sir. Milind, sir.
हा बोला बोला.
येस सर, तुमचं इंट्रोडक्शन द्यायचं सगळ्यांना. सो तुमचं आणि तुमच्या
Okay.
कंपनीचं.
नाही नको, मी करतो आवाज कमी. झालं, केला कमी केला आवाज. नको, मला नको आवाज.
मिलिंद
हॅलो.
सर. हा सर.
हा, आय एम मिलिंद. मराठीतून इंग्लिश.
काय नाही कुठली सर भाषा, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
मी मिलिंद जोशी आणि आमची केडी जोशी रबर इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड कंपनी आहे. आमच्या कंपनीला 50हून अधिक वर्ष झालेली आहेत आणि मी सेकंड जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर आहे. आणि आता आमची पुढची पिढी पण आम्हाला जॉईन झालेली आहे. तर आम्ही रबर पार्ट्स बनवतो, मुख्यत्वे करून टेक्सटाईल मशिनरीला लागणारे, तसेच पॉवर सेक्टरला लागणारे आणि पॅकेजिंग सेक्टरला लागणारे रबर पार्ट्स करतो. हा आमचा मुख्य व्यवसाय आहे. आणि मी एंटरप्रेन्योर क्लबचा ते 2000 पासून सदस्य आहे.
माय गॉड.
हा, येस येस. आणि मी साधारण 2006-07 मध्ये पुणे क्लबचा चेअरमन होतो म्हणा का काय. आणि तर मला ह्या क्लब पासून खूप फायदा झालेला आहे आणि मुख्य म्हणजे आपले समविचारी मित्र म्हणजे आंतरप्रनर कम्युनिटी ही भेटायला त्यांच्याशी बोलायला मिळतं, हा खूप मोठा फायदा असतो. लघु उद्योगामध्ये जनरली तो प्रोप्रायटर असतो किंवा पार्टनर्स असतात आणि खूप व्यावसायिकांची अशी गाठ पडत नाही. पण ह्या क्लब मधला हा एक मोठा फायदा आहे. ते नेटवर्किंग तुमचं होतं आणि बराच फायदा होतो. थँक्यू.
ग्रेट सर. आणि मिलिंद सर आपले मागे ट्रस्टी मेंबर्स होता ना सर तुम्ही? आय थिंक
हो,
ट्रेजरर.
मी 2016-17-18 पर्यंत होतो या आंतरप्रनर इंटरनॅशनल आणि पूर्वी 29 जुलैचा कार्यक्रमामध्ये सक्रिय सहभागी पण होतो आणि खूप फायदा झालाय. म्हणजे मला खूप मिळालंय क्लबकडनं. तर आणि हे नेहमी म्हणजे पैशात न मोजता येईल अशा गोष्टी आहेत या. आणि हे लक्षात ठेवलं पाहिजे की डायरेक्ट असे बेनिफिट नसतात, पण आपल्या कंपनीमुळे किंवा आपल्या नेटवर्किंग वाढल्यामुळे खूप फायदे होतात आणि विचारांची देवाणघेवाण ही सगळ्यात महत्वाची आहे याच्यामध्ये. की कोण कसा विचार करतो, प्रत्येक उद्योजकाची एक विचाराची पद्धत असते, प्रश्न हाताळण्याची पद्धत असते. तर आपण इथे उद्योजकांना भेटतो आणि त्या ह्याच्यामधून आपल्याला त्यांची पद्धत कळते, त्याचाही आपल्यामध्ये बराच आपल्या ज्ञानातही भर पडते आणि आपल्याला वेगवेगळे अँगल्सही कळतात. असा हा खूप फायदा आहे.
ग्रेट सर. अर्पण सरांनी तुम्हाला दिले. वुड लाईक टू कनेक्ट विथ यू सर. सो कुड यू प्लीज शेअर युअर कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर? टेक्स्ट मध्ये लिहू शकता. ग्रेट सर. सो अशा अनेक
माझा नंबर हवाय.
हा, त्यांना नंबर हवाय तुमचा सर.
अच्छा, एक मिनिट मी टाईप करतो चॅट मध्ये.
किंवा सांगितला तरी चालेल सर, अर्पण सर लिहून घेतील. नो प्रॉब्लेम.
98226 55071.
अर्पण सर म्यूट आहात तुम्ही.
नाही आता नसेल मी. 98226.
अजून अमित असनेकर सरांचं पण पाहिजे.
हा तुम्ही
तुमचं लिहिलं सर. 98226 55071.
येस करेक्ट सर.
करेक्ट.
थँक्यू.
अमित सर तुमचा नंबर शेअर करून ठेवा टेक्स्टवर. अर्पण.
हो, मी करतो. येस.
नेक्स्ट वन इज सतीश राजवंश सर. म्हणजे एक आपल्या लक्षात येईल की ह्या सगळ्या दिग्गज मंडळींना हा क्लब फार मेहनतीने उभा केलाय, चालवलाय आणि आपल्यापर्यंत येऊन ठेवलाय. सो अशांची साथ आपल्यासाठी फार महत्वाची. सतीश सर.
हो, गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग सर.
मी गेली 20-25 वर्ष एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लबचा मेंबर आहे. सुरुवातीपासून खरं म्हणजे होतो, मध्ये काही दिवस गॅप होती. त्याच्यानंतर मला वाटतं 11-12ला मी प्रेसिडेंट होतो पुणे क्लबचा. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लब मधून नेटवर्किंगसाठी मुख्यतः मी आलो. मला फारसा फायदा असा झाला नाही, पण माझा फायदा काही लोकांना झाला असावा. आणि कारण माझे कस्टमर जे आहेत ते पुण्यात फारसे नाही आहेत, बाहेर आहेत आणि डिफेन्स सेक्टरमध्ये मी काम केलं. मी 40 वर्ष इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगमध्ये होतो, पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्समध्ये. आणि आता रिटायर झाल्यापासून फक्त सोशल वर्क करतो. 100% दिवसभर सोशल वर्क करत असतो. धन्यवाद.
लायन्सचे पण तुम्ही आय थिंक कुठल्या पोझिशनवर आहात ना?
लायन्सच्या आता सगळ्या पोझिशन झाल्या माझ्या, जसे गव्हर्नर सोडून.
ग्रेट. वेलकम सर. Now next one is Venkatramani Iyer sir. Iyer sir, please introduce yourself. Iyer sir, please unmute yourself and introduce.
Hello, I'm VG Iyer. I'm doing consultancy service in industrial learning activities. The topics which are close to my heart are, one is Muda elimination. Muda is a Japanese word for eliminating non-value activities and seeing that value activities are more. So there are 8 types of waste which are always there in the industries. They are hidden waste, normally referred to as monsters. They eat away all your profits. The area is how to identify these monsters and get rid of them by including proper controls in the industries. That is one of the area which is very close to my heart. The other area is cost reduction by using value analysis concept. This is a concept which finds out the function of the component or the assembly and then tries to analyze how this component can be studied and the value of the product can be increased and the cost can be reduced by replacing the material of the product, material of the component, by seeing the quality functions are the same. So value analysis is very new concept. People have been using it, but they normally do use cost reduction. There's a difference between cost reduction and value analysis. Cost reduction just says that instead of this material, use this material. But value analysis says what is the function of that, keeping the function same, how to change the material and see that you're getting a benefit to the organization. These are my two core areas. I've got a rich experience of 35 years of experience in this fields. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Now,
you, sir.
any last, Rakesh Srivastav. Then after our president will introduce himself. Rakesh, sir. Rakesh Srivastav.
Yes. Hello. Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Rakesh Srivastav, new member of this club. By profession, I am a CFP. CFP means Certified Financial Planner. So I do planning for your financial goals, in short-term goals, long-term goals. So in this field, I am from last 12 years, and my office in Kasarwari, named Garima Investments. I run my own firm, named Garima Investments, in last 12 years at Kasarwari. We deal in different products like stock, mutual funds, NPS, insurance, especially group insurance for corporates, like group gratuity, group superannuation, group term plan, group mediclaim, loans, business loan, corporate loans. So all under one roof. So I have client base around 600 client base in Pune, out of country also. And just want to grow more. So I joined your club. I need support from all of you. And I also want to support you also. I am part of Rotary also, part of BNI also, part of Saturday Club also. So different clubs. So for any help, I'm always there to support you. I need support you. I need your support also, sir. So please keep in touch, and I want to grow with all of you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, मी माझं इंट्रोडक्शन देतो. Myself सागर चंद्रकांत दाणी. I am the president of now Entrepreneurs Club निगडी. आणि माझा स्वतःचा व्यवसाय आहे इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी, फायर, एन्व्हायरमेंट आणि हेल्थ या रिलेटेड ट्रेनिंग, कन्सल्टेशन अँड ऑडिट. We give service across the India. So we regularly go to the place industry level and compliance part जो आहे मेजरली तो आपण त्याच्यामध्ये कव्हर करतो. सो गेल्या 14 वर्षामध्ये 750 पेक्षा जास्त कंप्लीट केलेले आहे ट्रेनिंग आणि 21,000 पेक्षा जास्त लोकांना ट्रेंड केलेलं आहे आतापर्यंत. अँड इन दिस क्लब नाव आय एम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लब निगडी. आणि त्या दृष्टीनं मेजरली प्रयत्न आहे आपल्या क्लबला अपस्केल करण्यासाठी आणि जास्तीत जास्त लोकांना याचा बेनिफिट देण्यासाठी. So now, thank you very much. Now, Purushottam, please introduce.
Hi, I hope I'm audible and visible as well.
Yes.
My name is Purushottam. I'm the president of Pune One first chapter of Entrepreneurs Club. In terms of my profession, I'm a content writer. I have been writing for in English for various mediums, be it a website, social media, newspapers, people's novels. I mean, if it is words, I can help you with that. Writing afresh, editing. I mean, anything and everything as far as English is concerned. Like I say, from two words to 20,000 words, anything is possible. You have a requirement as far as writing is concerned, come to me. they say, I mean, yes, things have changed with the ChatGPT, but then ChatGPT comes with its own set of challenges. So if you want challenge-free writings, come to me. Purushottam here again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Now next and last, Mr. Atul sir. Atul sir, are you ready for introduction?
Yes. Good evening, all.
Atul sir.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. कधी माणसाच्या बोलण्याची सुरुवात एम आय ऑडिबल और विजिबलनीच होते. एवढा आता जग मोठं झालेलं आहे. गुड इव्हनिंग आणि सगळ्यांना गणपती उत्सवाच्या शुभेच्छा देऊन माझी छोटीशी इंट्रोडक्शन देतो. माझं नाव अतुल कुलकर्णी. मी पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजिनियर आहे आणि गेली 31 वर्ष या फील्डमध्ये आहे. सुरुवातीच्या माझ्या मार्केटिंग आणि टेक्निकल बॅकग्राऊंड नंतर आय डायव्हर्टेड इन टू माय ओन कंपनी विच डील्स इन टू मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशन. आणि मी बहुतेक सगळ्या पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एनर्जी या क्षेत्रातल्या कंपन्यांसाठी त्यांच्या ब्रँड प्रमोशनसाठी त्यांच्या कंटेंट डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी
Please mute yourself.
Yeah, it's okay. त्यांच्यासाठी मी काम केलं. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लब ऍक्च्युली आता आपल्या समोर जे 4 क्लब दिसतात एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनॅशनल या ट्रस्टच्या अंडर पुणे फर्स्ट, पिंपरी चिंचवड, निगडी आणि बारामती. तर बऱ्याच जणांना माहिती नसणारा अजून एक क्लब आपला अस्तित्वात होता पुणे सेंट्रल या नावाने, जो मराठा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स या ठिकाणी आम्ही भेटायचो. इट वॉज इनिशिएटेड बाय माय अर्लियर बॉस मिस्टर प्रकाश रत्नपारखी, वॉज द डायरेक्टर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन टूल्स. आणि आम्ही जवळपास 18-19 जण तिथे मेंबर होतो. अँड मे बी इट्स नॉट अ गुड स्टोरी, बट 2-2.5 वर्षानंतर तो क्लब आम्हाला ड्यू टू लेस अटेंडन्स बाय द मेंबर्स आम्ही हा क्लब पुणे फर्स्ट मध्ये मर्ज केला. आणि देन आय गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस टू पुणे फर्स्ट क्लब. ही साधारण 20-22 वर्षापूर्वीची गोष्ट असेल. आणि तेव्हापासून आय गॉट इन्व्हॉल्ड विथ द क्लब ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आणि ॲज राईटली पॉइंटेड आउट बाय मिलिंद आणि राजवंश साहेबांनी, इट्स अ लॉंग प्रोसेस, बट ऑब्वियसली यू गेट टू नेटवर्क विथ लॉट मेनी पीपल्स. अँड सगळ्यात महत्वाचं जे आपल्या क्लबमध्ये काय म्हटलं जातं की यू गेट कन्सल्टंट ऑन अ फोन. आपल्या जेवढे कोणी मेंबर्स आहेत ते सगळे कन्सल्टंट असतात. फॉर वॉट एव्हर युअर प्रॉब्लेम, यू जस्ट मेन्शन ऑन क्लब ग्रुप or call to anybody. He is ready to help you, whatever he has, whatever power he has, whatever references he has. आणि अशा पद्धतीने अतिशय प्रत्येक मेंबरचा फायदा झालेला आहे. मला स्वतःलाही झालेला आहे, मिलिंदनी सुद्धा मगाशी सांगितलं, दत्तालाही झालेला आहे. आणि फायदा होतच असतो. तर फायदा होतच असतो याचा आय विल गिव्ह यू वन मोर एक्झाम्पल दॅट लास्ट इयर I started, sorry, I just interrupted my introduction. मी मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशन बरोबर माझा अजून एक फील्ड आहे. आय एम इनटू एव्हिएशन पॉवर सप्लाईज या क्षेत्रामध्ये मी गेली 12 वर्ष काम करतो. आय अर्लियर वर्क विथ 4 different British companies for their Marcom activity, rather direct marketing activity. And now I left all those British company and I switch over to becoming an Indian manufacturer for the this GPU. The product called is GPU, that is ground power unit. म्हणजे एअरक्राफ्ट लँड झाल्यानंतर त्याला एक्सटर्नल पॉवर द्यायला लागते फॉर इट्स एव्हिओनिक्स चेकिंग, लाइटिंग, एअर कंडिशनिंग अँड ऑल दॅट. तुम्ही एअरपोर्ट वरती बघत असाल किंवा जो एरोब्रिज येतो त्या एरोब्रिज मधनं केबल त्या एअरक्राफ्टला जोडलेल्या असतात, त्यातनं त्या एअरक्राफ्टची पॉवर डिमांड केली जाते सो दॅट दे कॅन स्विच ऑफ देअर इंजिन्स. तर या टाईपचे इलेक्ट्रिक ऑपरेटेड जीपीयूज बनवायचं मला बरीच वर्ष डोक्यात होतं. आणि आपल्या क्लबचे एक सिनियर मेंबर आहेत सुभाष माइंडकर म्हणून. तर लास्ट इयर आय हॅव ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी, जी माझ्याकडे एक इन्क्वायरी आली होती विच वॉज व्हेरी मच दे आर चेजिंग मी, and I talked to Subhash and he agreed, and now we are almost ready to deliver that equipment. That will be very what I can say unique kind of equipment which will be installed on oil rig. ONGCच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती ते इक्विपमेंट बसेल आणि जी काही हेलिकॉप्टर्स तिकडनं ट्रॅव्हल्स होत असतात त्यांच्यासाठी ती पॉवर सप्लाय देईल. So this was somewhat unique requirement which we will be able to complete. Again, this is by help of our club. आपल्या क्लब मधली मैत्री असल्यामुळे there was no question asked. Subhash said, okay, we'll do it. It was a discussion of only 1 hour and we started this new business. So this is the kind of network we can have which is based on trust. And I think I'm taking too long, but I would like to share. म्हटलं असं अजून बऱ्याच काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या शेअर करू आपण हळूहळू. But have a patience, have a faith in the process. आणि या सगळ्याची प्रोसेस ज्यांनी डिझाईन केली, ज्यांनी हा सगळा क्लब किंवा हे फाउंडेशन ट्रस्ट चालू केलं, ती खूप लेजेंडरी माणसं होती. टू जस्ट गिव्ह एन एक्झाम्पल, आवर जी काय क्लबच्या प्रोसिजर्स आहेत किंवा मॅन्युअल्स आहेत, दॅट वॉज डिझाइन्ड अँड रिटन बाय none other than Dr. Sudhir Rashinkar, who is a doctorate in rotary operations. He is a very senior person. आणि अशा माणसाने आपल्यासाठी हे सगळं डॉक्युमेंट तयार करून दिली, त्याप्रमाणे आपली फंक्शनॅलिटी चालते. Of course, there was one more great gentleman involved, Major General P.B. Deshpande, who at time he worked with Abdul Kalam sir, and such great people are involved in our what I can say the foundation of this trust and the clubs. So have a patience, you will definitely get the results. And we are not just giving this business आमचा एवढा धंदा झाला, उद्या एवढा देईल, मी हे नेटवर्क दिलं. These are short term goals. I think you play for the long term goals, you will get connect. As Milind rightly said, one can understand की प्रत्येक एंटरप्रेन्योर काय पद्धतीच्या फिलॉसॉफीनी काम करतो. स्पेशली मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग बेस्डचे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आपल्याकडे खूप जास्ती प्रमाणात आहेत. सो त्यांचा एक्सपान्शनचा व्ह्यू काय असतो, त्यांचं क्वालिटी स्टँडर्ड्सचा व्ह्यू काय असतो, त्यांचं कस्टमर रिलेशन्स काय असतं, हे खूप अमेझिंग आहे. आणि इट्स व्हेरी गुड टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम डायरेक्टली, and it's all transparent. So I hope I am little long for, sorry for that, but thank you very much. Thank you. Over to Sagar.
Yes, thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Purushottam just to give a brief about the next planning and strategies for the clubs in 5 minutes. So Purushottam, please.
Yeah, well, as far as the strategy is concerned, the first strategy is to get the club back to its original glory by having more members. More the member, more the chances of interacting and more the businesses that you do. So the primary objective is to have more members on board. Entrepreneurs of every kind. Predominantly, this club has been into servicing manufacturing entities. So, I mean, if that can be kept well and good, some amount of dilution obviously happens. But the basic motive or the mission of this this club we want to keep, and that is to increase the number of entrepreneurs on board and help them grow their business in whatever means they're looking for, whether it is consultation or getting people together or voicing their concerns in front of the right audience, including the government and bodies. So in short, the mission is if there is an entrepreneur and if they want to grow, they should come together with Entrepreneurs Club. We are already in the process of putting structures in place so that problems and issues are solved. So this is the mission. The vision is to have over 100 entrepreneurs in the club and all of our membership put together, and have the kind of visibility which will show that our club means business in terms of different industries, different verticals being having a say in the club's growth. So this is what I can say as far as the vision is concerned. So I guess I have covered myself more or less in these few minutes. So it's back to you, Sagar.
येस, थँक्यू सर. सो आपल्याला सगळ्यांना मिळून हे काम करायचं आहे आणि बेसिकली 2-3 अनाउन्समेंट आहेत बिफोर गोइंग टू द गेस्ट स्पीकर. अतुल खेदरे सर इज ऑल्सो हिअर ॲज अ गेस्ट. सो बिफोर गोइंग तर 15 तारखेला गणपती आहेत. त्या गणपतीमध्ये 15 सप्टेंबरला आपण एक कल्चरल ऍक्टिव्हिटी आपल्या मेंबर्सच्या घरी करणार आहोत. तर त्याचा ऍड्रेस, लोकेशन हे आणि टायमिंग हे सगळं ग्रुपला अनाउन्स करेल. पण त्या दिवशी छान गणपतीचा मोसम आहे. ट्रॅडिशनल वे मध्ये, ट्रॅडिशनल अटायर मध्ये आपण यायचंय. जर तुम्हाला वाटलं की आपल्याकडचा एखादा स्पेशल पदार्थ पण आपण घेऊन यावा सगळ्यांसाठी, तर तुम्ही डेफिनेटली घेऊन येऊ शकता. सो इन्फॉर्मल गप्पा आहेत आणि त्याच्यातनं आपल्या मेंबर्स मधलं बॉन्डिंग हे स्ट्रॉंग व्हावं, इंटरॅक्शन व्हावं, या दृष्टीनं हा एक प्रयत्न आहे. सो 15 तारखेला तो कार्यक्रम आहे. आणि दुसरं जे आहे दॅट इज 26 सप्टेंबर देर इज अ प्लॅन इंडस्ट्रियल व्हिजिट. जे आपले अवॉर्डीज होते मेधा ताडपत्रीकर, डॉक्टर मेधा ताडपत्रीकर, ज्या प्लास्टिक पासून फ्युएल बनवणं हे त्यांचं मेजरली वर्क आहे. त्यांची खेड शिवापूरला इंडस्ट्री आहे, तर तिथे आपण जाऊन व्हिजिट करणार आहोत, त्यांच्याशी डायलॉग करणार आहोत आणि त्यांच्याकडनं काही इनपुट्स घेऊन आणि त्यांची इंडस्ट्री पाहून आपल्याला जे काही क्वेश्चन असतील तर ते आपण त्यांच्याशी बोलू शकतो. तर साधारण 26 तारखेला तो प्लॅन आहे. टायमिंग आणि त्या गोष्टी डिटेलमध्ये ज्या आहेत त्या ग्रुपवर पाठवल्या जाईल. दुसरी गोष्ट, आजची मी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे ही ऑनलाईन मीटिंग जी आहे ती आपण सगळ्यांसाठी ओपन ठेवलेली आहे. देन आफ्टर जे आता पुढच्या सगळ्या इंडस्ट्रियल व्हिजिट, फिजिकल मीटिंग्स अँड अदर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आर देअर, ह्या सगळ्या ज्या आहेत ह्या लिमिटेड असतील फॉर द मेंबर्स ऑनली. जेणेकरून जसं कार्यक्रम कुठलाही असेल तर कार्यक्रमाच्या वेळेत जो आलेला असतो तर त्याच्या तो असा होतो की अरे 6 वाजता कार्यक्रम आहे आणि 7 पर्यंत कार्यक्रम नाही सुरू झाला. का तर 7 पर्यंत लोक येत आहेत आणि म्हणून आपण थांबलोय. सो ते 6 वाजता येणाऱ्याचं ते नुकसान आहे. तर तसं होऊ नये यासाठी आपल्या मेंबर्सला जास्तीत जास्त बेनिफिट मिळावा इन रिस्पेक्ट टू नॉलेज अँड रिस्पेक्ट टू बिझनेस ऑल्सो, सगळ्याच वेनी. तर त्या दृष्टीनं प्रयत्न आहे. देन आपण काही मोठे इव्हेंट्स प्लॅन करण्याचं चालू आहे. ते योग्य वेळेला आपल्यापर्यंत त्याची अनाउन्समेंट पोहोचेल. पण डेफिनेटली आपल्या मेंबर्सला खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी देण्यासाठी निश्चित प्रयत्न आहे सर्व प्रेसिडेंट आणि कमिटीचा. तर आपला सपोर्ट आपल्या यासाठी आवश्यक आहे. क्लब अकाउंट डिटेल्स जे आहेत पुणे, निगडी आणि पीसीएमसीचे ते सगळ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचले आहेत. जर नसतील कोणाकडे तर जरूर तुम्ही विचारू शकता. I request again Mr. Purushottam to introduce our today's guest, Atul Khedre sir, and start with the Atul sir speech.
Atul sir, I've known him. He has his own startup in a very special product, has to do with people's health, and he's doing that from the incubator at MMCOE. So I mean, he understands, he's an engineer, and he's very passionate about this particular product of his. And being a startup, so of course, scaling up and everything will obviously take place with time. And I hope him success. And okay, let's listen to him. Let it come from the horse's mouth, so to speak. Sir, Atul sir, it's time that you start the speak now.
Hello, everybody. Just now somebody said the first line is, am I audible? So,
sir, more than
Yes,
audible,
sir.
you are completely, I have seen you with just the mustache, with the beard and all, like kind of, it looks like a different person altogether. But wow,
yeah.
that's nice.
So this was one of the things on my bucket list which I had to try out once. And since I realized there is no tomorrow, तो जो करना है वो अभी ही करना है. तो कर दिया.
Great.
एक साल भर try करेंगे. So I understand this is an audience of MSMEs, and kindly don't refer to me as guest. I am a part of the club somehow. For I don't know why, but some formalities have to be completed, and they 3-4 times I tried to do that, but somehow उसको बाद में करेंगे ऐसा हो गया. तो शायद कल उसको complete कर डालेंगे. So then I will also get invitations to all the programs which Milind has just now mentioned. So basically, when we were discussing the topic, the idea was startups are now assuming a very, very significant role. And so can we get a peep into the world of the startups? So already all of you are accomplished entrepreneurs and you are your own businessmen in your own right. So in a way, you have gone through the startup life cycle, say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years ago, and you have been able to land at a point where you are running businesses successfully. However, the world has changed drastically since the last few years, and more so since the Shark Tank came up on the television. So dinner table conversations have also changed. And so the discussion between me and Sagar and other gentlemen was that can we look at the current world of startups? So I tried to put together a few slides, and the slides are not the key point. The key point is whatever I know. I have been running a startup for the last 6-7 years with all the government schemes and all those kinds of things. We raised about 2 crores finance, which was used to develop a product. We are a physical product startup, and whatever I have gone through that, I will be able to share that. The intention is that now I don't know how many of you are product startups and how many of you are services startups. But if anybody is thinking of a product startup, then you may be able to take a value judgment whether I should start a new company to take benefits of all the government schemes, because there is a timeout, a certain age of companies, then they are not eligible for those things. And so those kind of things, at least you should be aware that this support is available from the government. This support is available from the ecosystem. Most important thing which has happened is a lovely ecosystem has developed in the last 6-7 years, which was just not there. I mean, you have gone through the initial teething troubles. मी परवा सांगत होतो की कंपनी स्वतःची म्हणजे नोकरी करणं हा एक वेगळा भाग असतो, पण स्वतःची कंपनी असल्यावर एक खिळा ठोकायला काय लागतं हे जे त्याच्यातून गेलेले त्यांनाच कळू शकतं. मग बघणाऱ्याला वाटतं त्याला काय खिळा आहे तो ठोकायचा, ती साधी गोष्ट आहे. तर ती तेवढी साधी नसते हे ज्यांनी स्वतः कंपन्या चालवलेल्या आहेत त्यांना म्हणजे जाणवत असेल. तर त्या दृष्टिकोनातून kind of peep into the startup world, and now the ecosystem is really very supportive. So I have put together a few slides. If you allow me to transmit, how can I do that? Share. Yeah. So if you somebody has to enable me to be able to show the slide.
Yes, sir. You can share your slide.
Yeah. So slides मध्ये असं काही फार मोठं महाज्ञान ब्रह्मज्ञान असं काही नाहीये. मी just I have put them together to keep a thread to the conversation. So aligning with the startup world, so you may have different roles to play in the startup world, and you could be an investor in the startup world, you could be a service provider to the startup world, you could be a customer of the startup world. So I thought I will use this opportunity to share the trials and tribulations of the startups, which probably will help us. So this diagram this picture I like to show often. Just for 10 seconds or 20 seconds, note down your thoughts. This is a guy who's चाय वाला, तो उसको अंग्रेजी सिखाने के बाद वो ऐसा बन गया. और इसके बारे में आपके ये बाद में फिर से मिलेंगे इसको टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द टॉक वी विल सी दिस गाय अगेन. बट अभी आपको जो लगता है ऑनेस्टली उसको नोट करके रख दीजिए, either in your mind or on a piece of paper, whatever. So this was an ad given in Times of India, and they said it's very important that you teach English, because when you teach English, this is what happens. So basically, essential elements of a successful startup. Now, this is different from what we earlier ways. The business part is the same, but the focus areas are different. So typically what happens is 2-3 engineering students get together, they have an idea, they make a project, and they say, chalo iska company banayenge. And I have seen in the last 6 years about 50 companies fail in Bhau Institute, in that same place. Every 6 months a few fresh guys come in, they say हमने कंपनी बनाई, ऐसा किया. थोड़ा सा बात करने के बाद पता चलता है कि इनको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है इसके बारे में. I am being very blunt, but business world is blunt. And then after 6 months they are nowhere. फिर somebody is taken a job somewhere, somebody असे. आणि घरातून भरपूर म्हणजे पैसे वगैरे पण खर्च करतात काही लोक, आणि म्हणजे some of them really go through big trouble.
So this is the basic thing which I like to talk to them. A successful startup is primarily a workable business idea. So don't tell me you have an engineering idea. It's a business idea with a strong innovative or a technical idea. So there is some new technology which you have created, but basically the startup is about selling that technology, which fulfills an acute need of a very specific target market. तो किसके लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं? Who will be willing to pay for this? If there is no idea for that, no point in developing any technology. And then, so they should be willing to pay for getting that need fulfilled. So somebody has to identify a need, and then around that need, if you do innovation just for the sake of innovation, or writing academic patents, because patent is this is what I have done for the first time. So yes, so you say you have done for the first time, you prove it to the government gives you a certificate. The question is, so what? So if it is useful, then only इसमें से कुछ निकलेगा, नहीं तो ऐसे पेटेंट तो बहुत है. About 1% of the patents are commercializable. All 99% are academic type of patents. So this is the idea. So basically, if you are not clear about who is going to pay for it, what need you are satisfying, and then the whole thing is not going to work. And we see literally hundreds of the latest count 1,00,000 startups भारतामध्ये काढलेले आहेत. आणि जगभरचे स्टॅटिस्टिक्स असे की 92% of the startups don't see their first birthday. 92% is a very, very big number. They don't see their first birthday. About 96% don't see their third birthday. So if you have seen a startup which is beyond 3 years, that is in the last 3-4%, and out of them, less than 0.5% are profitable. So it's a very wide game. So this has to be fulfilled against other competing solutions, because there will always be somebody else doing the same thing or similar thing or partial thing, and that will also have a cost. So how do you compare against that? That is how the startup works. So this means that your technical solution, whatever you are proposing, must have some advantage over competing solutions, either faster, better, or low cost, something like that. Some advantage over existing solutions. Then sufficient number of estimated takers. That is very important. And you have to identify whether there will be 100 customers or 1,000 customers or 20,000 customers. So that is there. And a business model to engage with those customers. Now there may be these customers, but how are you going to find them? How are you going to engage with them? Whether they will rent it, whether they will buy it from you. All these questions have to be answered before you get into the game. And you need a clear path to profitability. So that once your model is proven, then you get into the optimization space. That is the cost cutting. First, the task is to make sure that it works. So at that time, you are willing to go all the possible ways to make it work. Abhi laser cut karna hai to laser cut karo. Jo bhi karna hai, you may have a cabinet, so you will do whatever is possible. But later on, when you say that you have to produce in mass number, then you may use dyes and you may use other things to optimize. So that will be the path to profitability. And how will you scale up so that you are able to reach that audience? So these 4 points will make or break the startup. So I used to share this in colleges. For people who are going to have a business. So how do you design value? Basically, a startup is about managing value. You create some value and you deliver it to people. So till the end, you have to manage that value. And if something goes wrong, ultimately you're responsible. So I have some very drastic examples. When I did consulting on this line, scalability consulting, I came up across very, I'll share them as we go on. So basically, first thing is you have to understand where is the value generation. Where are you creating value? So are you saying that I have an optimized way of doing something? It means there is already, or people are already doing that particular. In our case, we filed a patent and we did something which nobody had done so far. And so we were creating value in the case of people who are sitting for long durations. So what is the core value generation? Now that is the USP on which you will communicate with your people. So our USP turned out after a lot of discussions is that people don't have to find separate time to use our machine. Our machine maintains leg circulation, leg health, and then people are aware of this. They are even paying fees for the gym. But the point is they don't have time to go there. And so our USP was while you are sitting in your desk, while you are watching TV, while you are doing that, you don't have to find separate time. While you are sitting there, our machine will. So that is the core value generation, that you don't need to find separate time for this. Many people pay gym fees and all, and then they still don't go there because they don't have time. So that is the point. Now that helps to focus your communications. And then this value generation, there has to be a production for this value. How will you produce this value? If there are 100 people, if there are 1,000 people, can you produce 1,000 machines? One prototype you can always prove. It's not a question of one prototype. But then, are you able to produce that? And then more importantly, are you able to deliver that? So you will see the color changing to red while we go to delivery. And experienced people will know why these colors have been selected. Because delivery is the hottest area. So when you are actually designing and prototyping and all, you are in a very cool frame. You know, कोई tension नहीं, आराम से करेंगे. But delivery में ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो 12 तारीख is 12 तारीख. And then you know the game. So you have to deliver that value. And in all of these, there is a common thread running. That is, you have to manage the value in the whole game. In our case, one of my clients, he was making very, very lovely milk products. Shrikhand, Kulfi, then some other Basundi type of milk products. He had sourced milk from very nice sources, and he was a quality guy, so he maintained very good quality. They had a deal with one of these bazaar type, Star Bazaar and those all those Janta Bazaar and those kind of things. He had a deal with them. So he said, yes, I will give you 30%, whatever. And then he delivered that crates. And then we checked out the people, the shelf पे तो नहीं है, but he sent some friends की shelf में है कि देखो जहाँ पर जाके दो खरीदो, देखो कैसा लगता है. वो बोला अरे shelf पे तेरा माल ही नहीं है. So then we went for investigation. His crates were lying down in the underground parking. So that was shocking for him. He said, I am paying you 33%. So why these crates are, and see that milk product goes bad in, if it is not kept in the cold temperature, it खराब हो गया वो, और पूरा माल खराब हो गया उसका. Then he went and spoke to the manager. तो manager बोले हाँ मैंने इनको बोला था, इन्होंने लाया नहीं, ऐसा नहीं वैसा नहीं. Then he spoke to the guys कि why you did not take. तो बोले सर 33% तो आपने उनको दिया है, मेरे को क्या मिलेगा उसमें से? मेरे को 10% दो तो मैं समय पे पहुंचा दूंगा. Now ultimately loss किसका है? So the value management remains your responsibility. Whether courier में damage हो गया, कुछ भी, whatever happens, you are responsible for delivering the value to the end customer. And if something goes wrong on the way, you have to take charge of that, and you have to rectify that. So this is how you have to design the value in the whole thing, and this should turn at the right volume. So at least you are in a break-even position. Now what I find is people dive into only one point, and they try to complete that part. For example, your prototype is ready, or somebody has helped you to make a prototype, you start production, and you have 100, 200 boxes ready. And since the delivery and value management areas have not been addressed, then you get in trouble. So unless all 4 areas are carefully managed through, this is the life cycle. So the startup is not going to work. So whenever people come to me for consulting, my first thing I tell them is that, what is your value management game? Tell me how you are going to do this. It's like the last point, how will it reach the shelf? Now, who ultimately you are responsible. So it's very important to make sure that all these 4 areas are properly addressed. And then we have to design an organization to run this. You can't do this. Now you have designed value, but after designing value, you have to make sure that there is a balance between the business acquisition and delivery pipeline. Now this is another problem area where entrepreneurs get stuck. Either I should focus my time on getting more business, or should I try to deliver on the existing. अभी existing खत्म हो गया, फिर नया business कहाँ से लाऊंगा? तो अभी start करना पड़ेगा. So then again you get pulled into this. I'm sure you are experienced people, you have gone through this. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कोई बहुत नई बातें बता रहा हूँ आपको. Now business acquisition for smaller businesses many times cannot be delegated. So you have to set up a delivery pyramid. Now the challenge in delivery pyramid is there has to be somebody at the top, and that somebody at the top has to be paid for something like the top. So many in these spaces, you know, paying out salaries of 50,000, 60,000, 80,000 per month becomes a big challenge for the MSME segment. Unless that person is well known. 1 लाखाच्या वर सॅलरी असलेले फार कमी लोक MSME सेगमेंट मध्ये नोकरी करतात. I don't know what are the statistics. I'm just hazarding a guess. You can tell me whether that is right or not. पण अशी आहे. Now idea is that if you are sitting on the top of the delivery pyramid, you will manage that. So what would be your salary? And then if somebody else is doing that, then you have to come somewhere in that space. So depending upon how you offer that, whether you are giving some equity or some profit percentage or something like that, to make it more, किंवा सॅलरी तुझी 6 लाख असेल पण वर्षभरात एवढा प्रॉफिट झाला त्याचे 2% तुला मिळतील ऍट द एंड ऑफ द इयर, काहीतरी some kind of deal which makes it good for him also. So that is important. And then once this part is set up, you have to look at strategic initiatives, which is very important today. What will you do 3 years down the line? So now अभी तो बहुत सारा यहाँ पर ऑटो एंसिलरीज का सेगमेंट है, तो they will do whatever Bajaj and Tata tell them to do. So it is like that. These are manufacturing. But the biggest challenge I'm seeing here, everybody seeing of course, is that the EVs have reduced the component count from a few thousand to a few hundreds. Is this making sense? I don't know. I'm not getting any feedback. So is this making sense in this particular?
Yes, sir. It is making a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Believe me.
Yes.
So EVs have now the components and other things required for EVs might look similar, or I don't know how that is going to, but this is a strategic initiative, and we really, if we have some pockets, if we have some prototyping scope, then we will have to look at what we are going to do 3 years down the line and start working on that today. So by the time that 3 years arrives, we are somewhere in the 2.5 year range, so that usko fine tune karke we are enabled in a delivery position. So when we are in a consulting engagement, these things play out very strongly, and new things are coming up tremendously. Waste management is coming up very strongly. Bamboo, bamboo has come out with very strongly in all of this. People will not believe, particularly those who have been in the metal engineering space will not believe that bamboo, but bamboo is so many other things are there. And it takes some kind of sitting some to look at various alternatives and find your comfort, repurposing of your existing machinery plant, or somehow we need to maybe start one more line of business, so that that is a separate line of business, but it will also continue to generate something, and this one will run in parallel for some time. Then you may manage various things. See, business is a discovery. You don't know what's going to happen 3 years down the line. So we take our best shot and do that. And then there are some other things, R&D, which is for kind of 10-year plan, or maybe, so which I will not dwell on that too much. वो जब मिल के बात करेंगे तो उसके बारे में बोल सकते हैं. So this is how you have to design a scalable organization. Acquisition and delivery are going to be two major areas always, and the fight between them is well known. मार्केटिंग के लोग जाके कुछ भी प्रॉमिस करके आ जाते, फिर डिलीवरी वाले वो लड़ते उनसे कि ऐसा कैसा बोल दिया, ये तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं, कभी दिया ही नहीं. वो बोले वो नहीं बोलता तो मेरे को ऑर्डर नहीं मिलने वाला था. So we are familiar with this. कोई नई बात नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं. So that we need to get sure that all these things work properly. So business owners can't concentrate on innovation or sales unless the delivery pyramid is stabilized, and delegating delivery is vital. So wherever you are, the challenge is how much salary to pay to the delivery pyramid. So there will be mistakes, there will be wrong hiring, कुछ होगा, लेकिन पैसा खर्चा करना पड़ेगा उसमें, because you are not paying for him, you are paying for saving your time. So that is one I will leave you with. This is how startup funding works. That funding is a very major area in startups. So I will just share some life cycle part. So when there is an idea stage, I have an idea that we will do something. So my friend Dr. Shilpa Gosavi and me, we had this idea and we started thinking क्या करेंगे इसके बारे में. So it was nothing. So we both decided we'll put 50,000 rupees into that. 1 लाख रुपए का कुछ करेंगे, अगर हो गया तो हो गया, नहीं तो 1 लाख रुपया डूब गया, छोड़ देंगे उसको. So that was the idea stage. Then we came to co-founder stage. Then when we realized that this is worth a patent, and then there was no machine like this anywhere in the world, and then a lot of things will happen. So we went and filed a patent. And then we started talking to family and friends, and we got some funds. So we raised about 80 lakh rupees in the first round, and this is some of the same people and some new people joined. And in the second round we got 1.07 crores. So about 2 crores we have raised so far. So this is where we are in the angel round and seed round, you can call this. So the organization goes on building. Now there is one in the third, family and friends, you find there is a third guy who's there, who has put in money. These two guys are still doing the same thing. Now in the seed round, these two have gone up and some more people have come in. So this is how people go on adding till you go to the point where there is an IPO. And it is always sensible to own, say 10% of 300 crores rather than 100% of 2 crores or 1 crore or maybe 50 lakhs. So that is the kind of thing you have to look at. And this requires some planning. This requires doing something. Now, if I understand the audience correctly, we have created companies with a model of Bajaj and Tata and Reliance in front of us कि हम कंपनी बनाएंगे, हमारे जनरेशन इसको चलाएंगे. ये हमारे सामने था बिरलास. बट अभी कैसा है ना कि लोग बोलते हैं कि कंपनी 4 साल में बनाना है, 4 साल में बेच देंगे उसको, और बेचने के बाद जो का 40-50 करोड़ मिलेगा, जितना भी 20-40-50 करोड़, तो उसमें मेरा लाइफ तो सेट हो गया एंड आई एम फ्री टू डू वॉट एवर एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन आई वांट. So making a company with the intention to sell it off, this is a mindset change. Maybe you are already clued into that, maybe you are not. So I thought I will just put this point in front of you that we have to make either an IPO or do something and then sell off the whole thing, because there are other people. For example, in our case, now we are manufacturing a product which I am personally involved in the assembly of that, and we have developed lovely vendors all over the place. We don't make anything. We just put together, connect things together and make the product. All our making is outsourced to vendors. Now, I can't sell this in Romania and Bulgaria and Peru and Ghana. I just can't do that. So if I get in touch with somebody like Philips or GE or one of these big guys, then they will say, we don't do business like that. We will take over everything. आपको जितना पैसा है वो दे देंगे, whatever deal happens, and after that, please don't talk to us. It is our product. So unless you are ready to do something, you need to have a path of how the investors are going to get their money back, how the whole thing is. Now, if somebody puts in say 20 lakhs, the idea is इसका मेरे को बाद में क्या मिलेगा. So I don't want to be happy all my life कि हाँ मेरा बहुत profitable company, बहुत मेरे को पैसा मिलना चाहिए ना उसमें से. So if I put in 20 lakhs, then there are different ways of returning. First thing is that you give 20 lakhs back some way and say your stake is still there in the company. So there are various deals. I will not go into details, but the point is there has to be clear exit path. Either you as an entrepreneur buy back all their shares, उनको पैसा दे देना, उनका जितना है, whatever is the increased money, and they have taken a risk. So they deserve something more than the guy who walks in with some money and says that I want to buy your shares now. So these are the kind of things. So this is how the typical life cycle goes. This would take about 5 to 6 years to reach the IPO stage typically, but there is no guarantee. A medical company may take 8 years or even 10 years, and some of the delivery companies and some of the fast rolling models might even do it in 3 years.
Sir, I would like to interrupt here. If you have heard the latest news about crazy valuations that are going around on the IPO market for SMEs.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, even the word crazy is an understatement for them.
I 100% agree. I will just let us hit that slide. We will talk about it.
Yes, sir. Perfectly fine.
Yeah, एक slide है आगे. मैं वो डाला ही. Yeah. So this is what happens. Now splitting the pie. This again, I think I have discussed some of this. So at the first point there is only you. In our case, there are 2 people. So co-founder and me. Then there are friends and family who joined in. चलो हम भी कुछ करेंगे. फिर एम्प्लॉई भी आ गए. तो इस तरह से अंकल का 5% है. फिर ऊपर if you look at the pie, founder 1, founder 2, something like this. So this goes on. It plays out whichever way. So depending, all co-founders may not be able to put equal time. So depending upon their contribution and that, you can decide to share whatever. So all this is live. There is no standard practice. These are typical observations. So as you look at when this fellow Bansal sold out his company, he was owning only 6% of that company. But that 6% evolved into 2,000 crores. So good, I don't care if 6% or 5% or 5.5% or 6.2% or something. If I am to get 2,000 crores or 1,800 crores or 2,200 crores, it's the same thing. You understand? It makes no difference. Typically, people like Hemant Jalan and Anand Deshpande and with whom I have fortunately got good interaction. So they tell me that when you spend about 1 crore per year, after that any more amount is still the same thing. And 1 crore is also big statement. But they are saying, चलो 5-star hotel हो गया, दुनिया भर इधर का उधर कुछ भी करो. आपका अगर लाइफस्टाइल 1 करोड़ पर साल के वहां पर पहुंच गया, इससे ऊपर तुम खर्चा नहीं कर सकते. You can't. You are going in the same hotel wherever Bill Gates is going. You are going in the same hotels. It doesn't cost anything more than that. So after that, then 1,800 crores and 2,200 crores is just notional. It doesn't make any sense. So the point is, you are trying to create value, and for that you will need to have some kind of I will not say plan, but some kind of a directional sense ki how my company is going to roll out. By the way, believe me, your existing companies can also be taken on this track. It need not be a startup. You have to be a startup only because when you are trying to get the government benefit for certain schemes which are there for startup, for that you have to be so many months or so many years old. Otherwise, all these things are applicable to anybody and everybody. Then there is no difference. Yeah, somebody said something. Okay. So this is where the valuation part comes in. And I have tried to put up a model here. So 4 friends, this Akku, Bakku, Chakku, Daggu, all 4 of them. So ABCD kind of. तर त्यांनी 4,000, 2,500, 1,000 असे काहीतरी पैसे टाकले त्यांनी आणि त्याचे 10,000 रुपये जमा झाले. त्यांनी एक भंगार गाडी घेतली कुठनं तरी, अशी जी चित्र दाखवलं ते सम व्हेरी ओल्ड गाडी. बट दे रियलाइज इट्स अ नाइस, दे हैड सम टेक्निकल सेंस. तो बट चलो इस गाड़ी को लेके कुछ तो भी करेंगे. और 10,000 रुपये खर्चा किया और दे स्टार्टेड अ कैब कंपनी. सो दिस इज हाउ दैट दे चेंज दैट गाड़ी. इट लुक्स डिफरेंट. मेरे को जो फोटो मिला वो डाल दिया मैंने. So the point is, now when this गाड़ी was ready, they got an offer for 10 lakh rupees. One guy came in, अरे क्या बढ़िया गाड़ी, मैं 10 लाख रुपए दे दो, मेरे को दे दो. अगर 10 लाख रुपए बेचेंगे तो इनका शेयर कैसा रहेगा? So their share will be in their original percentage. Is it making sense?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so there the Akku had put in 4,000, this तो इनका जो भी ओरिजिनल परसेंटेज है, अब ये चक्कू ने 1,000 रुपए डाला तो उसको उसका उतना ही मिलेगा. So you'll get, फिर भी 1 लाख रुपए मिलेगा उसको, right? So at this point they said no, हमको बेचना नहीं है इसको, because let us see what happens. So they said we don't decide, don't sell. So one guy comes in then and he says Pampu, so he says मैं 2.5 लाख रुपए देता हूँ, तो मेरे को कितना परसेंट मिलेगा? Now see, the value of the company is 10 lakhs. Company means whatever is the project proposal, गाड़ी whatever. तो इसका 10 लाख रुपया वैल्यू हो चुका है अभी. क्यों हो चुका है? बिकॉज वन गाय वाज विलिंग टू बाय दैट. सो दैट इज हार्ड वैल्यू. अगर वो मान जाते तो दे वुड हैव व्हाट 10 लाख हार्ड कैश. सो 10 लाख रुपए वैल्यू. अभी इसमें 2.5 लाख डालेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा उसको? एनी गेसेस? एनी गेस? Okay, so in the interest of time I will roll ahead. So now the value of the company itself is 12.5 लाख. इसका 2.5 लाख आ गया, 10 लाख पहले से ही था. तो 12.5 लाख के कंपनी में 2.5 लाख का परसेंटेज कितना होता है? 20% होता है. Is it making sense?
Yes, it is.
Now the question is, why did this guy offer that 10 lakhs? Because he saw that value. Now, if you try to prove that value and valuation, then there are so many mathematics and arithmetic you can do. So now I am fighting with these questions in the last 6-7 years. So I will tell you what is my best conclusion in that. And again, this is not rocket science. But if the founders and the investors agree on a value, then any chartered accountant can rustle up the arithmetic required to prove that value.
Great. That's a nice one.
Yeah, this is a fact. This is how the real world works. Because when I spoke to Anand about this, Anand said, तू कशाला ते व्हॅल्युएशनच्या मागे लागला, तुला किती पाहिजे व्हॅल्युएशन ते आपण दोघं ठरवू, नंतर बघू. आता काम कर म्हणे आधी, ते व्हॅल्युएशन वगैरे नको करू म्हणे. So yeah, and I have asked this question on number of forums. तर त्याला मला सिम्पली सगळ्यात सोपी अशी सुचली की व्हॅल्युएशन इज प्रोजेक्टिंग मोर ऑफ द सेम थिंग्स. वॉट एव्हर हॅज हॅपन्ड येस्टरडे, आई विल डू सम अरिथमेटिक एंड से कि कल ऐसा होगा, फिर ऑन दैट सम डू अरिथमेटिक. तो इट इज लाइक फर्स्ट गियर में गाड़ी चलती है, उसका एवरेज 12 किलोमीटर है, तो अभी सेकंड गियर में कितना आएगा, थर्ड गियर में कितना आएगा, फोर्थ गियर में कितना. यू कैन डू अरिथमेटिक एंड फाइंड आउट. जो गाड़ी स्टैंड पे खड़ी आइडलिंग में, उसका वैल्यूएशन कैसा लगाओगे यार? उसका एवरेज आप नहीं निकाल सकते हो. रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वॉट एवर योर इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज, वो कुछ कितना भी अरिथमेटिक कर लो आप, जो गाड़ी स्टैंड पे खड़ी है उसका एवरेज आप नहीं निकाल सकते. और ये स्टार्टअप्स है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टार्टअप्स फॉर देयर फर्स्ट राउंड एटलीस्ट दे कम टू सम सेलेबल पॉइंट. आता आमच्या केसमध्ये 1,000-2,000 प्रॉडक्ट आमचे विकले गेल्यानंतर काहीतरी फ्लो एस्टॅब्लिश होईल आणि त्या फ्लोवर मग मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून वरच्या व्हॅल्यूज येणार आहेत. तर आता जे कोणी इन्व्हेस्ट करतायत आणि वी आर गेटिंग असे फॅब्युलस रिझल्ट्स आहेत आमच्याकडे. आय विल स्पेंड सम टाइम ऑन दॅट, ओनली 2 minutes नॉट मोर एट द टुवर्ड्स द एंड. तर ते काय म्हणतात, दे हैव टू बिलीव कि यार मेरे को लगता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट में इतना मार्केट है, या ऐसा करना चाहिए, अगर इतना डालेंगे तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट इतना होगा और फिर विल बी. सो दे हैव टू बिलीव. आमच्या प्रोडक्टची 5 लाख पीसेस दरवर्षी गरज आहे भारतामध्ये. 1,00,000 लोकांचे पाय कापले जातात भारतात दरवर्षी. हे ऑफिशियल स्टॅटिस्टिक्स आहेत, म्हणजे हे पेपर्स आहेत, मी नाही लिहिले पेपर ते. 1,00,000 लोकांचे डायबेटिक फूटमुळे पाय कापले जातात भारतामध्ये. आणि कोणाचा पाय कापले गेले प्रिडिक्ट नाही करता येत ना आपल्याला. त्यामुळे मग जे कोणी सस्पेक्ट आहेत 4-5 जण तर म्हणजे 5,00,000 पीसेस तर आरामशीर त्याची गरज आहे भारताला. आता हे कुठनं येणार, याचे पैसे कोण देणार, काय करणार माहित नाही. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दॅट. बट द पॉइंट इज देयर इज अ स्ट्रॉंग नीड. So whenever somebody believes and is willing to put in that money, this will fly. And we are engaged with in various conversations. But the point is, can you prove this? I cannot prove this. Nobody, no, not a question of me. कोणीच प्रूव्ह नाही करू शकत. तर त्यामुळे व्हॅल्युएशन आता हे जे आता स्विगी या मोठ्या मोठ्या कंपन्यांचे जे बिलियन, आता ते सगळ्यात बिगेस्ट फ्लॉप वॉज दिस बजू. आता ज्या लोकांनी व्हॅल्युएशन मध्ये पैसे टाकले आणि जे मान्य केले, तर ते एक पॉन्झी स्कीम नावाचं काहीतरी असतं, माहिती आहे का तुम्हाला? बऱ्याच जणांना माहिती असेल किंवा माहिती नसेल.
So we do know about the Ponzi scheme. It's just that we are slightly running short of time.
Yeah, I know. So then we have to stop the valuation part. तो अभी आगे चलेंगे. So I mean, this valuation. See, the idea behind the valuation is and whoever is pumping in money is that you have to get the next round of investors to buy that and you cash out. That is the idea. So then whether you are able to catch bigger banks and bigger banks, and if you convince them that so many $1 billion is worth, they will put in those many $1 billion, whatever fraction, and you take that and you run out. बाकी जो होता है होता रहेगा. So that is how some of these later rounds take place.
So great.
Sorry.
No, what I was saying is it's a fantastic field with a fantastic viewpoint for growth. And we understand you have gone through that and you have seen that firsthand, which is an amazing thing. I'm sure we will take time out for and try and give you a longer duration. So I mean, this is a very interesting field. Let's be very honest about that. So
I would love to engage with you on that.
Absolutely.
अभी 2 स्लाइड बाकी है, इसको पूरा करेंगे या खत्म हो गया टाइम हमारा?
Fine. Go ahead. Another 2 minutes we can still put it.
So how to help startups?
Okay.
Now this is my biggest problem. One hospital kept giving appointments to us for 1.5 years before somebody told me, अरे बॉस उनको खरीदना रहता तो ये 1 साल पहले ही खरीद चुके होते. They are simply wasting your time. They can't say no. So my earnest request is, somebody comes to you, सर आपका ये मशीन है, इसमें इतना करंट जाता है, मैं ऐसा मशीन डिवाइस बनाता हूँ, इससे करंट कम होगा. Don't tell him कि बॉस मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. Management bandwidth is very, very precious for startups. So my earnest request to you, जब भी बच्चे आएंगे, जो भी आएगा आपके पास, if you feel it is sensible, you can explore. Otherwise, upfront tell him कि बॉस ये नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि मेरे पास इसका कोई नहीं है. So that will help them, because then you will move on to the next one. ते आशा म्हणतात ना, लोकांना आशा खूप लागलेली असते, अरे होईल यार, because first customer is very precious. Everybody is dying for their first customer. तो अगर लगता है ना कि यार पुरुषोत्तम सर को मैं थोड़ा बोलूंगा तो हो जाएगा, तो वो टाइम लेके अच्छा पुरुषोत्तम सर के दीवान में अलग ही चीज पर है, वो डीजल जनरेटर का मेंटेनेंस नहीं हुआ है, कल को पावर फेलियर तो मैं क्या करूंगा, उसको फोन कर, उनके दिमाग में 1000 चीजें हैं. ही इज लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड इन समबडी हु इज सेइंग कि तुम्हारे मोटर ज्यादा चल रहा है, वो गर्म होता है, मैं उसको ठंडा करता हूँ. You understand? So my request is, please tell him कि बॉस ये नहीं होने वाला. The second thing is, help them to achieve a business focus if possible.
That's very important.
टेल देम की बॉस अगर आप ऐसा करके दिखा दो ना तो मैं इसको खरीदूंगा. आता हे त्यांच्याकडे नाही आहे, ते इंजिनियर, ते टेक्निकल पोर आहेत बिचारे. त्यांनी काहीतरी किस तो भी करके कुछ तो भी एक खड़ा किया उन्होंने, कुछ मशीन किया है, कुछ चालू बंद होता है, कुछ तो भी लाइट चमकता है उसमें. I'm not being derogatory. What I'm saying is the business value of whatever they have done is this much. Now if you tell him कि बॉस मेरे को अगर इतना मिला तो मैं ये खरीदूंगा, so that will help them in their life. Forget whether you buy or not, becomes immaterial, but त्यांच्या लाईफ मध्ये उपयोगी. नंतर प्लीज हेल्प देम विदाउट प्रॉफिट्स. इफ यू आर इन सर्व्हिसेस और रिसोर्सेस, इफ यू कॅन प्रोव्हाइड प्रोडक्ट्स वगैरे, एक काही हजार रुपयांमध्ये कंपनीचं लाईफ और डेथ होऊ शकते त्याच्यामध्ये. तो तुम्ही नॉर्मल रेटच्या शक्य असेल तर, जेवढं शक्य असेल तर. आणि बी देअर फर्स्ट कस्टमर्स. 20-25 हजार रुपए का अगर आप कुछ ले लेंगे ना, तो आपका एनुअल सेल एक्सपेंडिचर बजट कितना है आप सब लोगों को मालूम है. तो 20-25 हजार से किसी का कुछ बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, लेकिन उसके लिए वो बहुत बड़ा वैलिडेशन होता है. इफ पॉसिबल, इवन इफ दे फेल इन योर केस, in that failure, they will learn something and they will move on to the next. So my only request is be kind to entrepreneurs. These are not entrepreneurs.
That takes the cake. That
Yeah.
the be kind to startups is
Yeah.
what is very, very basic in this entire thing that you just told us. Thanks a lot, sir. It was a very, very interesting session. We will try and accommodate you with a longer period of time sometime later.
Yes.
And I guess, Sagar, it is time for questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
so
Pratham, don't forget, Atul sir already said that he is interested to get a membership right now.
yes, of course, he'll be a member. Yes.
So अतुल सरांना कोणाला काही विचारायचं आहे तर definitely you can unmute yourself and ask them the question related to the topic and related their experience. Yes.
अतुल सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार.
अतुल कुलकर्णी बोलतोय.
हो नमस्कार.
स्वागत धन्यवाद. जर कोणाला स्टार्टअप करायचं असेल तर आर यू दी राईट कन्सल्टंट असं तुमच्याकडे फॉरवर्ड करू शकतो?
Yes. Definitely.
Okay. Great.
Atul sir, you just took away my question. Good. I also wanted to ask the same thing. Great. Thank you.
So both will send. I think you will get a pair.
Yes. Yes, we'll surely do that.
Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else?
Sir, complete end-to-end solutioning as far as startup is concerned, I hope you are in a position to do, because there are people, technical people who are completely at sea when it comes to starting something.
तर आम्ही बेसिकली काय करतो म्हणजे माझा याच्यामध्ये खूपच जास्त वेळ जायला लागला, म्हणून मग मी काय केलं की पहिल्या मीटिंगसाठी आम्ही 4,000 रुपये चार्ज करतो फक्त नॉमिनल. म्हणजे तुम्ही 4 लोक जेवायला जरी गेले तरी तेवढा खर्च होतो.
Absolutely, yes.
आणि तेवढाही द्यायची तयारी नसेल तर मग काही पॉईंट नाही त्याच्यामध्ये. आणि मग त्या मीटिंग मध्ये जर त्यांना वाटलं की पुढे काहीतरी होऊ शकतं आणि पुढचं काही जर कन्सल्टिंग ठरलं तर हे त्याचं सेटअप देऊन टाकतो आम्ही. म्हणजे ते 4,000 रुपये कमवणे हे काही आमचं हे नाहीये, म्हणजे उद्दिष्ट नाहीये. पण पुढचं काही ठरलं तर मग त्याच्यामध्ये हे 4,000 आम्ही मायनस करून टाकतो त्याच्यामध्ये.
Great.
I mean, it's a business. You have to be ready for business.
And more than that, you are actually siphoning off people who are the serious ones and who are not the serious ones.
Right.
That's a good way of going about it.
Exactly. आणि म्हणून अगदी नॉमिनल अमाउंट ठेवली आम्ही. काही 4,000 इज नथिंग ऍक्च्युअली. यू नो दॅट.
Very true. Yes.
अतुल सर, एक विचारायचं होतं. अमित बोलतोय. ही जी आता स्लाइड दाखवली, मी फार क्युरियस होतो की ह्याच्यातला तुम्ही जो फरक तुम्ही म्हणला शेवटी सांगणार, पण टाइम मुळे आपल्याला बोलता नाही आलं. पण हे एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला शेअर करता येईल कधी नंतर, किंवा मी वेगळा फोन करू? मला ना असे एक्झाम्पल्स 2
वाक्यामध्ये सांगून टाकतो मी आता त्याचं.
हो प्लीज.
बेसिकली याच्यामुळे इंग्रजी शिकायला नाही पाहिजे. कारण हा माणूस, हा निळ्या बनियनमधला माणूस आहे, तो एंटरप्रेन्युअर आहे. त्याची क्वालिटी तो डिसाईड करतो, त्याचा येण्या जाण्याचा वेळ तो डिसाईड करतो, त्याचा प्राइसिंग पॉईंट तो डिसाईड करतो, त्याचे कस्टमरचे म्हणजे जे काय ते सगळं तो डिसाईड करतोय. आणि हे सगळं केल्यानंतर त्याला इंग्रजी शिकून तुम्ही काय केलं, एक लाल टी शर्ट घातलं आणि आता तो एम्प्लॉई झाला,
नोकरी करतो.
नोकरी करतो. नोकरी करणं वाईट आहे अशातला भाग नाही. पण आपण ज्या ऑडियन्स मध्ये होत्या, स्वयंभू नावाचा आमचा एक प्रोग्राम होता की जिथे आपण, कसं आहे की तुम्हाला कोणी एंटरप्रेन्युअर केलेलं नाही, तुम्हाला कोणी बिझनेसमॅन केलेलं नाहीये. एके दिवशी तुम्ही उभं राहिला आणि म्हटलं की मग मी स्वयंभू आहे, आणि दॅट इज, त्या प्रोग्रामचं नावच स्वयंभू आहे. त्या
व्हेरी नाईस. ओके.
त्याची पहिली स्लाइड आहे.
बर,
काय वाटतं ती भूमिका आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. बाकी म्हणजे that's all.
I have actually gone through this experience. I mean, on a personal level, where somebody very close to us, they didn't have the money to send the son, but they still sent him into a hotel management course. They could have just put a vada pav ka stall. He would have done. Today he's a mara फिरता हुआ employee. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट का, ऐसा करके छोड़ा.
अवघड आहे ती. That industry is hit very hard in terms of recession. पहिला फटका त्यांना बसतो.
And they will not, एक बार आप उसको कॉलेज भेज दो ना तो he'll not roll up his sleeve and dirty his hands.
Yes.
Sad.
So there is need of startup schools.
Yeah.
There is need of startup schools, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
So like you explained the journey of startups. So if certain startups startup is rather in certain stage, rather at seed level, or like in the last slide you said that what should be our approach to help startups. So if somebody is only with a startup idea, okay, and so how you would like at what kind of help or support we can give? Like if somebody is having an idea and he's not had thought till the last core value, the core journey what you showed in the slide.
मग ते हँड होल्डिंग करतो ना आम्ही त्यांना.
ओके.
माझा प्रश्न फक्त एकच असतो की आर यू सिरियस अबाउट दिस, का जनरल गप्पा मारायला आला तुम्ही? म्हणजे जनरल गप्पा मारू शकतो आपण, पण मग दॅट इज अ डिफरंट गेम. इफ यू आर सिरियस अबाउट दिस, आर यू विलिंग टू कमिट समथिंग? आणि मी काही आय एम नॉट बी आस्किंग फॉर लॅक्स ऑर थाउजंड ऑर वॉट. म्हणजे इफ यू आर सिरियस अबाउट दॅट देन इट इज शुड शो देअर. तर त्यांची ती जर्नी पूर्ण हँड होल्डिंग करू शकतो आम्ही त्यांना. आणि मेनी टाइम्स यू नो देर हॅव बीन केसेस वेअर पीपल सेड की अरे नाही, हे केल्यावर त्यांनी लक्षात आलं की नाही ही आयडिया तर फेल होणार आहे कमर्शियली, आणि त्यांनी नाही केलं स्टार्टअप, विच वॉज अ गुड थिंग.
येस,
राईट.
कारण वडिलांचे PF चे पैसे 20 लाख रुपये घालून किंवा जमिनी गाण टिकून 20 लाख रुपये त्याच्यात घालून डिस्कवर करण्यापेक्षा आधी डिस्कवर झालेलं चांगलं आहे ना.
बिलकुल, व्हेरी ट्रू. And people spend in lakhs, huge amount, and then they fail.
म्हणजे इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजमध्ये जेवढं खर्च करतात तेवढं तर करतातच, ते करू शकतात म्हणजे. आणि त्यामुळे ते म्हणजे न करणं हे सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह आउटकम. अँड आय थिंक मतलब सो यू हॅव टू बी सिरियस समवेअर, दॅट इज द पॉइंट. I will definitely be glad to engage with them and take them through walk them through their journey.
So please share your contact details further. I mean, it's not mentioned.
My email is very simple, atul@kherade.com.
Okay.
And does your service extend across industries or particular industries, or how does it work?
Yeah, this is across industries. Means it is agnostic to the. See, I don't need domain knowledge for this. Domain knowledge is coming from these people. म्हणजे त्यांना डोमेन माहिती असतं, आणि नसेल तर ते शोधायला पाहिजे त्यांनी. पण द पॉइंट इज दॅट यू शुड बी एबल टू वर्क आउट अ बिझनेस केस.
And sir, one more question I have, like at what stage, if certain idea is worked and the startup has moved in the journey, and at what point it makes sense to make a particular idea patent?
असं पटकन नाही त्याचं ऑफहँड, बेसिकली दुसऱ्या कोणी केलंय का नाही ते बघावं लागतं आधी.
So there are certain standard methodologies.
Yes. There are standard methods and definitely.
And you help in that?
Yes. Okay. त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही नक्की मदत करू. अर्थात तुमचं पेटंटिंगचं जे काम आहे ते पेटंट लॉयरच करेल, पण ते पेटंट लॉयरला काय सांगायचं हे मात्र आम्ही तुमच्याशी बरोबर बोलून सांगू शकतो की विल बी एबल टू डू इट लाईक दॅट.
Okay.
Mr. Atul, can you share your contact number, please?
I have given the email address, sir. I will put in my contact number also. But
he is becoming a member, so he'll be on the group in any case.
सबसे important है.
So it is best that the first contact happens on email because or WhatsApp means rather than call. WhatsApp is always possible.
Yeah, true.
Yes, thank you.
एक छोटासा प्रश्न आहे सागर. अतुल सर, ते when I started 2 years back new company, त्याच्यानंतर आम्ही स्टार्टअप साठी रजिस्ट्रेशन केलं, आणि लिटरली मला दर आठवड्याला एक फोन येतो, ऑलमोस्ट सगळे राजस्थान मधनं असतात, की तुम्हाला 25 लाख रुपये देतो, 20 लाख रुपये देतो. ते काय म्हणजे सगळा गोंधळ आहे का?
नाही, ते ट्राय केलं आम्ही. त्यांना मी माझं असं कोणी म्हणलं ना की माझं पहिलं त्यांना हे असतं की तुम्हाला सक्सेस फीज वरनं पैसे देईन मी. तुमचे 25 लाख माझ्या बँकेत आले की त्याच्यातनं आपले जे काही ठरेल तेवढे पैसे तुम्हाला देईन मी. आधी फार तर फार नॉमिनली टू प्रूव्ह माय इंटरेस्ट आय विल गिव्ह यू 4-5 हजार रुपये देईन मी, त्यापेक्षा जास्त देणार नाही. मग ते बॅकआउट होतात. कारण त्यांचं बेसिकली त्यांचं बिझनेस मॉडेल असे की ते 40-50 हजार कन्सल्टिंगचे ते उचलायचे आणि म्हणत शेवटी 3-4 स्कीमला ऍप्लिकेशन करायचं तुमच्या वतीने. झालं तर झालं, नाही झालं तर नाही झालं, ते झालं, संपलं. म्हणतात आता 4 केले होत नाहीये तुमचं.
ओके. कारण मला कोणी नाही, मला कोणी फुकट पैसे द्यायला लागले मी पहिलं नाही म्हणतो की नकोच मला
हा
पैसे.
म्हणजे ते म्हणून त्यांना म्हणायचं की सक्सेस फीसवर पैसे तुम्ही काय वाटेल ते करा. म्हणजे 1.5 करोड 2 करोड पर्यंत स्कीम्स आहेत गव्हर्नमेंटच्या, चालेल
बरं.
म्हणजे. बट माझ्याकडे पैसे आले की तुम्हाला देईन मी.
ओके. हे सरकार देतं पैसे तेवढे.
सरकार देतं ते, पण तिथपर्यंत आपल्याला पोहोचायला लागतं आणि बेस्ट वे टू गो थ्रू एन इन्क्युबेटर लाईक COEP ऑर देअर आर मेनी अदर इन्क्युबेटर्स.
ओके.
त्यांच्याकडनं ऍटलीस्ट तुमच्या मार्गाला हे तरी असतं, म्हणजे ऑथेंटिसिटी तरी येते.
Yes.
गव्हर्नमेंट डझंट डील विथ इंडिव्हिज्युअल स्टार्टअप्स.
ओके.
It is too crazy to be doing that. The incubators make more sense. You have an order.
Right.
And most of them do a good job, I understand.
हे आपले शेखर साहेब करतातच की.
तलाठी. Yeah.
तलाठी साहेब. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Yes, thank you everyone for joining the meeting.
Yes, it was a very, very, very interesting meeting. Atul sir, I mean, special thanks to you. Vociferous, and the way you came across, fantastic. We will surely meet you in person and give you more time. This was a very interesting meeting. So,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, okay. So, with this, we end today's meeting. Thank you everyone
Sir,
for having attended and being a very important.
Next meeting, our physical meeting.
I'm sorry, I jumped the gun. Sorry.
Next meeting, physical meeting.
Sir, just wait for a minute.
Sagar, I'm sorry, I just jumped the gun unnecessarily. Please go ahead.
आप डायरेक्टली कंक्लूड कर दिया. बस ये साऱ्या चीजें हमने देख लिया. आज सगळ्यांचीच आपली मीटिंग छान झाली. ऑनलाईन मीटिंग आहे, फिजिकल मीटिंग्स पण आहेत. पण मगाशी म्हणल्याप्रमाणे एक गोष्ट, आता आपल्याला तुमचे व्ह्यूज तुम्ही शेअर करा रिगार्डिंग द ग्रुप फंक्शनिंग, ग्रुप अजेंडाज, कोणत्या टॉपिक्स वरती आपण वर्कशॉप, सेमिनार्स रिलेटेड गोष्टी ठेवू शकतो, कारण आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या सपोर्टने ह्या गोष्टी पुढे जाणं अपेक्षित आहे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मी हे क्लिअर करेल की आजची ही ऑनलाईन मीटिंग ही सगळ्यांसाठी जी ओपन होती ती आजची लास्ट मीटिंग होती. देन आफ्टर प्रत्येक मीटिंगचे जे काही डिटेल्स असतील और कुठलीही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, इंडस्ट्रियल व्हिजिट जे आहेत ते फक्त पेड मेंबर्सलाच कळतील. ग्रुपवरती कुठलंही जनरल ज्या ग्रुप्स आहेत तर तिथे कुठलंही शेअरिंग होणार नाही. सेम वे की जे आपले मेंबर्स आहेत त्यांनाच आपण हेल्प करू इन रिस्पेक्टिव्ह द कॉन्टॅक्ट अँड कन्सल्टेशन अँड एव्हरीथिंग. आत्ताच अतुल सरांनी सांगितलं फुकट काहीच मिळत नाही आणि आपली मेंबरशिप फीज अगदी नॉमिनल आहे, 500 रुपये पर महिना. सो फार काही मोठी नाहीये. सो मी रिक्वेस्ट करेल सगळ्यांनाच की आपण पहिले पेड मेंबर म्हणजे मेंबरशिप फीज पे करा आणि त्या 6,000 रुपयामध्येच आपल्याला ह्या सगळ्या ग्रुप ऍक्टिव्हिटीज चालवायच्या आहेत, इन्क्लुडिंग द सेमिनार, इन्क्लुडिंग द ऑल एक्सपेन्सेस. सो मी रिक्वेस्ट करेल सगळ्यांना की तुम्ही तुमचे इनपुट्स जे आहेत रिलेटेड टू द ग्रुप फंक्शनिंग अँड इव्हेंट्स सो प्लीज शेअर कराल. लास्ट मीटिंग मध्ये जे सगळ्यांनी इन्सिस्ट केलं होतं की फूड इंडस्ट्रीसाठी आपण प्रिफर करूया इंडस्ट्रियल व्हिजिटसाठी. सो मे बी बिफोर दिवाळी और आफ्टर दिवाळी वी आर गोइंग टू व्हिजिट द फूड इंडस्ट्री. सो त्याच्यासाठी लाईनअप करणं चालू आहे. सो तुमचे इनपुट जे आहे ते सगळ्यात महत्वाचे आहेत. सो 1-on-1 ज्यांना वाटतंय की आपण हे शेअर करावं तर प्लीज शेअर युअर व्ह्यूज.
सागर, एक क्वेश्चन आहे तुमच्यासाठी.
येस सर.
मला ते ICICI बँक मध्ये मी बरेच वेळा ट्राय केलं, आपलं ठाणे रत्न बँक असा दिसतच नाही कुठे. भारत बँक,
TJSB सर, ठाणे जनता सहकारी.
ठाणे जनता सहकारी असं दिसत नाही, ठाणे भारत सरकारी सहकारी असं दिसतंय.
तुम्ही सर कशा थ्रू करताय, NEFT मध्ये का काय?
ICICI मोबाईल बँक,
आय मोबाईल ऍप जे आहे त्यांचं ते.
हो.
ओके, माहित नाही. किंवा मग तुम्ही UPI थ्रू सर ट्राय करू शकता डायरेक्टली.
UPI नाहीच ना दिलेला सर.
नाही, बँक डिटेल्स आपण UPI मध्ये बँक थ्रू पेमेंट जे करतो ना, सो विदिन 1 मिनिट ते होऊ शकतं. मी गाईड करतो सर तुम्हाला त्यासाठी.
चालेल. आय ट्राईड कपल ऑफ टाइम्स पण काही झालं नाही त्या.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम सर. येस सर, अजून कोणाचे काही व्ह्यूज असतील रिगार्डिंग अर्पण सर, तुम्ही पण सांगू शकाल की कुठल्या टाईपचे सध्याचे जे एंटरप्रेन्योरचे चॅलेंजेस आहेत तर त्या रिगार्डिंग आपण वर्कशॉप, सेमिनार्स जे आहेत तर ते प्लॅन करू शकतो. सो त्या रिलेटेड पण तुमचे इनपुट चालू.
येस शुअर, देईल. आता तर इमिजिएटली नाही काही माइंड मध्ये, पण आपण विल बी एंगेज्ड कंटिन्यूअसली.
येस. नेक्स्ट अजून कोणी सांगू शकतो?
Yeah, I would like to say something. I don't know how many of you have been looking at the stock market very carefully. There is a very strange phenomena which has been taking place for the last 2 to 3 months, and that is SMEs ka IPOs. The kind of crazy valuation some of these companies have been getting. One company is just a bike dealership with 2 showrooms and 8 employees. They asked for 12 crores ka valuation, IPO, and they got some 4,700 crores ka subscription.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, this is even beyond anything called a scam, because openly people are giving that kind of money. I'll share all the details on the group. I mean, crazy is an understatement here. That's what has happened.
सर
I
पूना
heard,
गाड़ी भी अभी कर रहा है.
Sorry?
PN गाड़ी
They are
उसका
also
भी
coming up now.
IPO ओपन हो रहा है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली
Yes.
वो 12 ब्रांचेस ओपन कर रहे हैं अपने महाराष्ट्र में.
नहीं देखिए, something like that is a huge brand as it is, but a small bike agency, no, only in some corner of Delhi with just 2 showrooms, 8 employees. And there's another company which had a Sadavu office in some warehouse. They asked for 8 crores and they got some 5,000 crores.
नहीं, so point क्या बोलना चाहते हो सर? हम भी वैसा करें या
No,
ना
what I'm
करें
saying
या
is we are actually no, what I'm trying. But again, what is happening is NSE has now come up with a lot of restrictions. So this thing where SMEs को पैसा नहीं मिलता है, this is actually quite out of place. And if you have the right influences on on social media, people can get away with anybody now, anything now. ऐसा हो गया.
Yes, sir.
But this is also turning out to be another scam, because वो उतना बड़ा valuation करके अपना सारा बेच बाच के निकल जाएंगे and you will have debts on
नहीं
your
सर, वो सब्सक्रिप्शन है. It doesn't mean कि वो उतना पैसा उनको मिला है.
मिला है.
नंबर्स में बड़ा दिखता है.
Listen. मिला है. They had asked for 12 crores, they got 4,700 crores. I'll send you the link.
It's subscription.
Yes,
subscription
people subscribe to it. They paid that kind of money to the company कि हम इतना दे रहे हैं, दो हमको shares. बोलो. I mean now even NSE and BSE are now left scratching their heads. यार हमने क्या करने के लिए इनको लेके आए और देखो इन्होंने क्या करके छोड़ दिया.
there are write-ups coming up. Money control पे भी बड़ा write-up आया था कि this kind of things are happening. So be cautious. That's the thing.
Yes, exactly. Sir, cautious को क्या बोलेंगे सर? 150 times आपको मिल रहा है?
No, that's what Arpan is saying. So what should be our
अभी सर अतुल सर
It's all legally, sir. There is nothing illegal in it. ठीक है. People are crazy paying money, right?
That's what I mean. There's nothing illegal about it. It's just that people get influenced so fast. That's the craziest part.
सर पुरुषोत्तम जी, एक सवाल है कि
everybody
ये
wants to
सारी
become
बातें
a
हैं
rich in
as
no
a
time.
club.
That's the biggest problem.
What is that?
It's okay, sir. We will discuss it again.
In no time.
Yes.
Basavaraj is saying something.
See, all retail investor want to become a rich within no time.
Yes,
that's the
exactly.
problem.
Very true.
So wherever you expect big, definitely they are going to burn their fingers. So one should have a reasonable expectation.
Very true. Like I was telling
Basavaraj, this is not problem. I think this is opportunity.
This is opportunity, really.
It is.
Opportunity for the person who raises a fund, not for
Correct.
the investor.
Very true. Yes, for you, whosoever said
Agarji,
that.
I have a question. Krishna Tikare here.
Yes, sir.
So for the paid members, when will be the meeting schedules? Like it is once in a month or twice in a month, or how is it?
It will be once. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, there is one online meeting in the first week of a month, and there is a physical meeting in a third week of month, almost on a Saturday in the evening. I will share the roadmap and the details with you on and our Entrepreneur International YouTube channel is there. So you will get the details on our channel also.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, so few minutes, only 2 to 3 minutes are there. So काही आयडियाज असतील ज्या अपकमिंग डेज मध्ये आपल्याला सर काय म्हणूया आपण असं रॉकिंग काहीतरी करायचं आहे आपल्या
सर, आपल्या
एंटरप्रेन्योर्ससाठी.
वेबसाईटचा आपण विचार केला होता, पुढे घेतलंय का काही?
ते सर आपण खासगीत बोलूया कानात.
ओके,
ते अजून पाईपलाईन मध्ये आहे.
ठीक आहे.
येस सर, तुमच्या काय एक्सपेक्टेशन आहेत क्लब कडनं की अशा काही गोष्टी जर झाल्या तर दॅट विल बी फंटॅस्टिक फॉर अस. तर त्या पण शेअर करा, ज्या बेटर असतील तर त्या आपण निश्चित करूया. कारण आपण सगळं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बद्दल बोलतोय, त्यामुळे आपला क्लब सुद्धा स्केलेबल असला पाहिजे त्या दृष्टीनं हे सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. सो प्लीज, वी हॅव ओनली 2 to 3 minutes राईट नाव.
There's such topical issues where where there are pitfalls or when very growth related things. People should put it on the group so that we can actively take it up with the right people. Like today, Atul sir was there. Atul sir really, it was a rocking session with him. Somebody who's been there, done it, and who's got the right experiences. So if we have the right questions, I'm sure we can find the right answers to the right questions as well. So
yes,
that's all I can say.
Sir, I can suggest one thing. For one day of the week, we can make it as advertisement day and let all our people publish ad, or maybe kind of 5 people we can say that you can put your ad or 1-minute video about what you are doing, what your product is, something like that. 5 people you can select maybe, and on daily basis they can change, and those 5 people can put some ads, 1-minute video, something like that can help maybe.
Yeah, actually a great idea. That's true.
yes. Sir, we are offering one thing कि अगर आपका कोई वीडियो फोटोज है तो वी विल पब्लिश ऑन आवर क्लब सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स on YouTube and Facebook, and LinkedIn is there, so we can publish the members advertise and the achievements on social media.
Great. That's a nice one. I'll send something.
I'm not following that. Probably आप वही पहले post कीजिए कि कहाँ है वो क्या चीज है.
Okay, definitely. And
I'm
one
active
thing
on
is there.
LinkedIn but not following Entrepreneurs Club.
Yes, and one thing is there. Mr. Purushottam is leading the activities. कि अगर अपना वो क्लब मेंबर है तो अगर उसकी कोई सक्सेस स्टोरी है तो पुरुषोत्तम विल बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसको राइट करा के दे विल पब्लिश एज अ ब्लॉग ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स इंटरनेशनल और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लब. सो आप अपनी भी स्टोरी जो है वो भेज सकते हो. पुरुषोत्तम जी को भी हम बिजनेस देंगे ताकि उनका भी कंटेंट राइटिंग का जो बिजनेस है वो भी बढ़े और उनका भी नेटवर्क स्ट्रांग हो और अपना क्लब के जो मेंबर्स है उनको भी सही तरीके से उनका राइटअप मिल जाए.
Yes, Sagar, thanks for that. Yes, I'm sorry I didn't bring this up. You have success stories. You have anything to be written and put on LinkedIn or any other place. I think more it'll be better if we have it on our club's page. So we can do that. I can do that. So let me know.
Sure.
Yes, thank you.
So
yes, okay.
Do we conclude?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
So, gentlemen, it was a very fantastic session on Entrepreneurs Club. This time around, we really had a rocking session. So, with this, we conclude today's meeting. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you had a nice time.
And this meeting is available on our Entrepreneurs International YouTube channel from tomorrow. So, आप वो भी देख सकते हो और उनको शेयर भी कर सकते हो.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.